Hello friends, welcome to Om Engineering Works. Today we are going to discuss about electrical power quality services, and this is a part 1 of the video. The analysis of power quality evaluates the electrical energy going to equipment in the form that will allow the system to operate properly, efficiently, and minimize long-term risks. Proper power quality maintains control over process automation equipment, digital controls, and motor drives. Poor voltage waveforms can lead to unnecessary and costly disruptions for electronically controlled equipments. The need for proper quality has also become increasingly important for companies interested in energy conservation and continuous control. Let's discuss about power quality problems and its troubleshooting methods. Most power quality issues result in performance, safety, and overheating problems. In particular, power distribution polluted by Harmonic can lead to several problems such as over voltage current in the distribution network, overheating of equipment, nuisance tripping, malfunction of automated controls, damage to capacitor, inaccuracy of instrument measurement, interference in telecommunication systems. Troubleshooting power quality problems can be accomplished in many ways. One of the simplest methods is to start off by determining into which of the 4 major categories a potential problem falls into. And these categories are a grounding problem, a transient problem, a harmonics problem, no power quality problem at all. Each of these studies are listed within. There are certain suggested services for a power quality audit or study. Temporary meeting and monitoring of electrical system to analyze power system disturbances and interruptions that will decrease productivity, reliability, and efficiency. We can perform the tests for each area of your facility to detect harmonic issues, power quality, and determine the load per area. These power quality tests may require hours or weeks, depending upon the complexity of the problem and the level of detail required. Evaluation to identify and diagnose electrical system and equipment risks and procedures before they become costly problems. For more information, kindly feel free to contact us. Thank you.